When we talk about antioxidant cooking, we're not referring to foods that are inherently antioxidant. So they fight the oxidative stress produced by free radicals because it is a matter of truth of our body, and therefore cellular oxidation needs to be countered with the oxidation in our body, and thus cellular oxidation needs to be countered with oxidation with antioxidants that are found in fruits, but we are putting it in front of us, in front of vegetables, vegetable seeds, or at least to color, to all our seeds. What we want to talk about is a cooking style. I want the food. It's not that I have it for myself, but I want to be someone else. Vegetables and fruits all acquire an antioxidant action thanks to the presence of an antioxidant element that is a gas with no odor, in color and flavor, contained in a special water called hydrogen-rich water. Hydrogen-rich precisely because it contains molecular hydrogen. So the key and the center of antioxidant cooking lies precisely in the presence of molecular hydrogen. Molecular hydrogen is a gas, as I mentioned, with no odor or taste, and it is the smallest molecule in the universe. This action of this molecule, which penetrates the fibers of meat, fish, and vegetables, creates an action where the food becomes antioxidant. And it's not just a matter related to health, to well-being, but it is also related to the flavor and quality of the food. Through molecular hydrogen, the food takes on a quality in various aspects, both from a visual standpoint and in terms of organoleptic taste, totally different from an untreated food. With molecular hydrogen, that's why you'll see videos where some foods are treated, like meat, fish, mozzarella, vegetables, such as, and so on. And this is really very interesting. In the videos, you'll see unmistakably that these experiments are real. Live experiences are vital for sustainable dining, when taste comes in with more sustainable characteristics, especially for the chef or for those who have a restaurant, to have this sensory experience through taste. So this applies to both food and liquids. And above all, there's also the possibility of offering customers the possibility of having water rich in molecular hydrogen. And so to bring it to the table of an organization that could be a restaurant, a cafeteria, a hotel, etc. So now I invite you to watch some experiments. And so to continue this part, an instructional part, really very interesting,